Any other question? Yes, sir. What do I hope for when I get to Washington, D.C.? I hope that we can go home safely. When we get to Washington, D.C., we spend 3 days in Washington, D.C. A lot of people ask me, what will I do in Washington, D.C.? Same like your question. I said, let me try to finish today first. Because I don't know about tomorrow. And if I say that this is what I want in Washington, D.C., and what if I cannot make it? Yesterday, one of the gentlemen come to me and said, if you don't stop talking right now, you will not get to Washington, D.C.
It's raining.
What comes will come.